Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to blur the background of your pictures using the Photos app on Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the Photos app to open it. Once the app launches, you'll see several options along the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on Collections at the bottom. This section organizes all your photos into different categories, making it easier to find the specific image you want to work with. Now browse through your collections and find the picture where you want to blur the background. This feature works best with photos that have a clear subject in the foreground, like portraits or close-up shots. Once you've located your desired photo, tap on it to open it in full view. With your photo now displayed on screen, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on Edit. This will take you into the editing interface where you'll have access to various tools and adjustments to enhance your photo. The Edit menu is where all the magic happens, giving you control over filters, lighting, and special effects. Next, within the editing interface, tap on Actions. This option contains advanced editing features that go beyond basic adjustments. It's where you'll find specialized tools designed to give your photos a professional touch. From the Actions menu, tap on Portrait Blur. This is Google's intelligent background blur feature that uses advanced AI to detect your subject and separate it from the background. It essentially mimics the depth of field effect you'd get with a professional camera, making your photos look more polished and focused. Now tap on your subject in the photo. This helps the AI accurately identify what should remain sharp and in focus. The app will analyze the image and distinguish between your main subject and the background elements that should be blurred. After the app processes your selection, you'll see a blur slider appear on screen. Adjust this slider to control the intensity of the background blur. Slide it to the right for a stronger blur effect that really makes your subject pop, or keep it more subtle by adjusting it to the left. Take your time experimenting with different levels until you achieve the look you're going for. The preview updates in real time so you can see exactly how your changes will affect the final image. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional-looking photo with a blurred background right from your Google Pixel. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.